Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix error with your portable hotspot. So if you can't use your hotspot on your Android device, so first thing you need to check, it's check your just swipe up, sorry, here, and you just need to check if you turn on here your Wi-Fi and you turn here your Bluetooth. So these two things you need to be enabled for using this. So after you check it, you just open here settings, and in the settings you need to find portable hotspot and just turn on here portable hotspot and just check here. So you can see here option turn off hotspot automatically, turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. So if all devices disconnect from your hotspot, it will automatically turn off it. So you can also check this thing. Also you can set up here portable hotspot. So here you write your name of hotspot, password, user will enter when they will connect to your Wi-Fi, and also you can see here connected devices. You can add blacklist some devices to blacklist, and limit of connected devices. So you can also check here how much devices maximum can be connected to your hotspot, and by default you can see that it's unlimited. So just check this all things, because if some of these things are wrong, so you will have error with hotspot. So just check this. So this is the way how you can check your error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, like, and goodbye.